to be doing an unboxing of another Ryobi vacuum cleaner. Not that the last one was an unboxing, but this one's going to be. Okay, so this one's an 18 litre Ryobi RVC1218P-P. It's the plastic barreled Ryobi and it's only an 18 litre tank. But this one has a Hepa filter. And as we know, the last one didn't. So let's open it up, see what we've got inside. This is what the inside of the box looks like when you first open it, with the instructions on the top. And you can see it's all coiled up in here. There we go. Obviously some of the accessories must be inside. Let's see, it weighs 4 kilograms and it's 1,250 watts. There's no power take-off on this one. There we go, so we've got a plastic hose. Couple of, I think they call these wands. Rigid extensions, wands, whatever. Oh, 3 of them, look at that. That might come in handy. All right, let's take it out of the box. Easy way. So that looks like that's it for there. We've got a, what is it, a 2.5 metre cord on this fella. Does say on the box. Yeah, 2.5 metre cord. I assume the rest of the stuff's inside. The head unit is obviously the motor, and this is the Hepa filter. Nice. And inside we have a floor or bench cleaning head, like so, and a bag, and that's it. The rest is empty. So in the bag we have a sponge filter for when you're using it as a wet and dry vacuum. A little packet of screws for attaching the handle, which is also in there, and the handle is on the top here, so we'll put that on in a tick. A little vacuum cleaner bag, should have got some more of those while I was at the store. An attachment for the dust wand for getting into crevices, a crevice tool, and a set of wheels for the base of the unit. So first things first, let's put the handle on. Just grab a screwdriver. So the 2 little screws that come in the bag pop in there. And screw into place. Okay, that's the handle screwed on properly. So now we'll pop the bag in the canister. It's got a little hole with the rubber around it to, in theory, seal it off around this piece inside. Pop that in there. Okay. I should imagine that bag will fall very quickly, especially seeing what I'm about to use it for, but never mind. We'll get to that in another video. This one's just about the vacuum. Okay, right, well that's it all put together except for the wheels. The wheels do just push on. Okay, so yeah, the wheels just push into the holes there. Oh, I'll put them on. I'll leave it off the next one. I did actually buy 2 of these. So there you go. So there you go, the wheels just press in. Like that. actual attachment here pushes and twists on in place. There's a little stud there that goes in a little slot here. Hold it all in. There we go. The hose itself, like its bigger brother, is a soft sort of plastic, fairly easy to distort. You want to be careful not to tread on it or park a tool trolley or something on top of it. That wouldn't be good. But do give it a fair few extensions. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, so this just has a single on-off rocker switch. There's only one position other than off on this because there's no power takeoff like its bigger brother. Suction seems good. Let's try it out on some real dust. Okay, let's try and clean the dust off this mat. We'll use this head attachment for that and see how that goes. This one's got some brush bristles on it, you can see there, and a piece of rubber, a bit like a squeegee at the back, but unfortunately that's been distorted in packing, so I don't think that part's going to be working too well. Not initially anyway. Alright, so here he goes. Let's give this a clean. Okay, so I've done a bit of vacuuming on the floor, picked up a bit of dust into this thing. Let's have a look inside and see how much dust went into the bag and how much got out and into the actual area. Because that was the problem with its big brother, if you remember. Oh, we're looking good. I don't know how well you can see there on the camera. Let me grab a torch. I've got a torch. All right, so far it looks like it's working quite well. How well can you see me? Not well because my arms are in the way. There we go, look at that. So yeah, this one is working much better than its big brother. If you recall, the dust ended up in the bottom of this on its bigger sibling, and it didn't have the Hepa filter like this. But now this one's got this nice, great big Hepa filter, which you can obviously unscrew and replace. Let's unscrew them and have a look. So yeah, you've got a locking lever here, twist it like that, and then this pulls off like that. There we go. And so this is the Hepa filter when it's off. Now, I assume you could clean this. Let's have a look. Yes, here we go. Found it. Took a bit of doing. According to this picture, we can wash out the Hepa filter. Let's see if I can bring it in. There we go. And you'd expect so, because it is a wet dry vac after all. I mean, that's what this piece of foam is for. That would fit over here. It can also be used for a blower. That was the other thing. So if you untwist this fella, it will twist on the back. There's not a stud just here for attaching this. So you can slide that over, give them a twist, and now it's a low pressure blower. I probably wouldn't be keen on using that myself. There's a good chance you're going to be blowing some dust out of it. After all, this is a dust barrel. Anyway, so there you go. Overall, I think it's going to do the job well, and for the price, it's good. But don't expect too much for the price. It was extremely cheap. It was $69. I think this is going to fail in time. I was wrong. Happened once before. But it is a fairly flimsy tube. Other than that, all the other pieces seem fairly solid. The head is not overly well built, to be honest. That could have been better made. and certainly better packed because the packing has deformed the squeegee portion. This is obviously for the wet and dry, sucking water off the floors. But overall, not too bad, not too bad. So to see what I do with it, stay tuned for the next video. Hope this has been of some help. Have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye.